Hello, I am David DeBusk, and again today I'm coming to you from Texas. As many of you know, the League of Nations voted on November the 29th of 1947 to adopt Resolution 181 to partition the British Mandate into two states, one Jewish, one Arab. Subsequently, Israel declared its independence on May the 14th of 1948. And for the first time since the Babylonian captivity, after more than 2,500 years, Israel was established and recognized as a sovereign and independent nation. On June the 10th of 1967, a coalition of Arab states, primarily comprising of Jordan, Syria, and Egypt, attacked Israel. At the conclusion of what is now called the Six-Day War, Israel held on to captured territories known as Palestine, the West Bank, and the Golan Heights. On December the 6th of 2017, then U.S. President Donald Trump announced the U.S. would recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel, and he ordered the relocation of Israel's U.S. embassy from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem. Despite leadership changes, military actions, and numerous ceasefire agreements, the world continues to witness Israel's struggle for peace. At the same time, we are witnessing a manifestation of evil, tyranny, lawlessness, hatred, and division throughout the world. People are now paying unheard of prices for goods and services such as housing, food, transportation, and utilities. And as we approach winter, reports are beginning to surface that we're facing a severe food shortage in the coming months. On top of this, people are having to deal with health concerns and natural disasters. These are prophetic times, and these events are sweeping our world like a flood. That is why I am adding Nigh 5, the Countdown News Report, to my channel. This report and all future reports will be informative, short, and to the point. It is my intent to help you make biblical sense out of unfolding events that are in our world that is spinning out of control. On September the 7th, Israel 365 News published an article stating that the Israeli government is working on a railway infrastructure that will bring international travelers directly from Ben Gurion Airport in Tel Aviv to the Temple Mount. According to this article, this will enable millions from all of the 70 nations to come and worship God in Jerusalem's house of prayer, also known as the soon-to-be-built Third Temple. There are reports that go all the way back to 2017 that states that the Western Wall and Temple Mount train station will be named after President Trump, who made the historical decision to recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel.